everybody, how are you today? Today we're going to do a math activity with water and some watercolors, an eyedropper, and some piece of paper with some circles on it. It's a math activity that we're going to count. So let's get started. I'll show you. Here I have a piece of paper with lots of different size circles. Big one and little one. Let's count how many I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 circles. I also have a piece of paper that has numbers 1 through 20. Right here. I'm going to put that this way. I'm going to put this paper this way. Just like this. There we go. I have 20 circles, and I have my piece of paper that has 1 through 20. And what I'm going to do is, it says how many drops to fill the dot. So I'm going to take my dropper. I have red watercolor and I have blue. It's kind of a thick watercolor, so it stays. And I'm going to start with red. I'm going to squeeze my eyedropper like this. I'm going to try to fill the circles. I'm going to start with the little one here. Ready? And see how many drops it takes to fill my circle. 1, 2, 3. I could push it over if it goes off. 3. About 3 drops. That's 3. So here's my number 3 right here. Right? I'm going to write, I'm going to have to turn it around a little. Oops, slid. So that equals 3. 3 drops to fill that one. Now I'm going to fill the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. That took 4 drops. I'm going to write equals 4. 4. All right, I'm going to do one more red, then I'm going to switch to blue. Let's see. Ready? I'm going to try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, do one more. 8. That took 8 drops. Here's my number 8 right there. I'm going to write equals 8. That was 8. Now I'm going to try some blue. I have a glass with some water in it right here to clean off my dropper. Right there. And I'm going to take my blue watercolors, which is right here. Squeeze, squeeze. I'm going to try to fill some of the other circles. Let me see. Let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, this is taking a lot. 8. Spread it out. 8. A little bit more. 9, 10, 11. Let's see. Come on. We'll say 12. That's pretty close to filled. How about we say 12? So that was 12. Here's our number 12 right there. It's a 1 and a 2. Just like that. Equals 12. Now I'm going to try one more. You guys can do all of them. The big ones take a lot to fill, but if you guys want a challenge, you can try that. I'm going to fill this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on. 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's slide it over. Come on over. Well, that's filled. It's just not on the circle. We'll say 14. 14 of them. Okay? Equals 14, which is right here. 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. Just like that. So you can see, we'll do one more with the red. Okay? I'm going to rinse my brush off. My dropper off. Dry it on a paper towel. You might want a paper towel handy. I'm going to go back to the red. My red's nice and bright. I'm going to squeeze some more in. And I'm going to do one more circle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. That's 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. Whoopsie. 11. 12. Let's push it over a little. I have a brush here we can move it over to. 12. Oops, that one doesn't want to go. Let's try that again. If you make a mistake, you can just sop it up with your paper towel and you can start over. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa, that just took 10. 10 big drops equals a 1 and a 0. This is 10. So what I did with this, I'm going to send this sheet home to your parents with the circles. And what you can do is what I did. I didn't have if you have a plastic sheet to put it in, that's good, a protector. If you don't, you can just use a freezer bag, and I cut the end off and I just put it in a freezer bag so that you can wash off and do it again. I'm going to wash everything off just like this with a paper towel. Oops, one more, just like that. And you can try it all over again if you want. You can try it with some different colors. I hope you like that. And you guys try to fill the small ones, and if you can, try to fill the big ones. They might take 30 or even 40 drops. You could see the little ones were 3 or 4 drops, and the bigger ones were maybe 13 or 14 drops. So try that at home. Have a great day. Bye-bye.